Hello, I'm Caroline Hayes from Electronic Specifier, and I'm here on the Winsource stand at PCIM Europe. And I'm with Freda King, who is the service manager at Winsource. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Nice to meet you. So, Freda, Winsource was established in 1999, and its goals to source obsolete, end-of-life, and other hard-to-source components. But can you tell me about the company today?
Yes, Winsource is a well-established company and with 23 years of supply chain experience. And our company currently have over 210 employees. And our warehouse are located in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and the Philippines, with the total area of over 3,400 square meters. And the main warehouse is located in Shenzhen, with the area of 1,600 square meters, and most of the goods are shipped from there.
Okay, thank you. And what market segments does Winsource serve today with this broad product portfolio?
Well, for Winsource, the main products for sales are ICS as well as discrete and semiconductor sensors, connectors, circuit protection products, and passive component, power product, and so on. And most of the goods are widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotion, and medical, customer, electronics, automotive, and more. And we are committed to improving our component and product requirement. Yeah, and we have received extensive recognition from third-party certification and industrial organizations such as ISO 9001 and ESD S20.20. Yeah, and to integrate it into various fields of the industrials. We also joined a lot of associations such as ASA, OPTICA, IPC, SMTA, and try to know about the trend of the industry and experience the global development of the electronic industry, and also try to contribute to the harmonious development of various communities of these of this industry.
Okay, thank you. Now we've just completed Q1, we're in May. So how did Winsource perform in Q1, and can you give me some idea of how the distribution market is evolving for you?
During the first quarter in 2023, our strategic focus was on enhancing the continuity of our business, and also making the supply chain more flexible to adapt to the geopolitical changes, and also enhancing the resilience of our supply chain. Our supply chain remains stable after completely lifting this restriction of pandemic, with factory and distributor inventory rates remain at a relatively high level. And for the development of distribution market, I think it will be increasingly characterized by the geographic concentration of the purchase and stabilization of the total purchase, I think. And research just showed an upward trend in the first quarter in performance, and hope to create another new growth peak in this year.
Yeah, of course, of course. Now, Winsource is an independent component distributor in Asia, but it's also the largest electronic component online store in Asia. What advantage does this offer to cope with the demand in the supply chain?
Look to the future, we can see that emergency applications such as 5G, HPC, this kind of thing that are striving, injecting the momentum to the testing and the packaging industry. And we can see that the packaging technology is constantly evolving from traditional packaging to advanced packaging. And the global semiconductor manufacturers are expanding their expenditures to lay out the advanced packaging. So we can see that advanced packaging will be the main future growth area in this industry. And Winsource is offered a one-stop online shop for the customers, and with 24-hour delivery, 365-day quality guarantee, and we also provide over 1 million component inventories from over 3,000 manufacturers. That's all of my advantages. And also we help to find the obsolete and scrapped part or even a common used part for the customers at the lowest prices as we can. Yeah, I think this kind of thing that will help us to be more competitive in the market. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So, as an international supplier and partner, what value and advantages does Winsource provide? Is that covered in what you've just said about the online store?
Yes. Yeah. For the online store, I think we are the first one to establish the first overseas B2B e-commerce platform, the Winsource online store, because we identify the pain point for the procurement process, especially for the small and medium-sized manufacturing companies, and to overcome the information asymmetries for procurement process and overpass the traditional service model for electronic components. This kind of thing just push us to establish such a platform to solve this kind of problem and challenges. And meanwhile, after 24 years of growth, we established an independent and mature internal supplier system, which offer the customers as rigorous supplier approval process, as well as flexible real-time procurement process. Yeah, I think it's our advantages. Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now at PCIM, there's been a lot of announcements about sustainability, sustainable products. What does Winsource do to support engineers in sustainable development?
For sustainability, well, I have two main things to conclude that. First of all, we offer the alternative solutions as one of our business, which means that in addition to finding the obsolete part for the customers, we also offer the innovative alternative solutions for their customers and to fulfill their current or future business goals. And in this way, they can avoid the waste or to reduce cost, or even can retain their production chain without any disruption if they cannot find any obsolete part or something, because that if they just stop the production or something, it will make the worst waste. It's just not in line with the sustainable development. Yeah, that's the main reason that why we offer such things. And the other way, we actively apply for many certifications that are related to the environmental management, such as ISO 14001. This kind of service is also related to environmental system. We Winsource plan to prove that we want to build a green enterprise, rather than just subjectively believing that our products are environmental friendly as long as it meets the production standards. Yeah, we tried our best to meet the standard, the requirement, as well as customers' need or something, because we believe that supporting the sustainable development is one of our sociability. We need to put into the practice, not just say that it's something. Yeah.
Very good. And the booth at PCIM is very impressive. It's your first time exhibiting at PCIM, isn't it? What do you expect to see here?
Yeah, it's our first time participating in PCIM. As we know that PCIM Europe is a well-known professional exhibition in the power electronics industry. And we are so excited to have such an opportunity to take part in it. And firstly, we hope to meet our partner and our client to get the authentic feedback from them and to know better about their actual need, and as well as seek more long-term development opportunities. Secondly, we hope that more and more people can know about our Winsource as Asia's largest one-stop online shop, offering any alternative solutions, finding the obsolete part, and yes, as we can see that in the background, yeah, we can, and of course we are looking forward to experience the development trend of the power electronics and witness the cutting edge of the power industry, and as well as the innovative invention together with everyone in Nuremberg at this exhibition. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Well, I wish you all the success for your first PCIM, first of many, I hope. And Freda King, it was very nice talking to you. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you for your invitation. Yeah.